Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Nord CE 5G to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both of them. Now you need to tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, install this free app from this developer and open it on both smartphones. Here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Receive on an Android and Send on OnePlus. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing the device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Then wait a bit, and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!